How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport, and this is a video that I'm excited for many reasons. And the first reason is we have an awesome sponsor, and that is Super Clean, sponsoring this video, and they've been sponsoring me for quite some time, and I love their products. I fully stand behind what they're selling. It works absolutely amazing, and that is another reason why I'm excited, because we're going to be using that product to clean down this engine on this 1989 Honda Accord LXI that I picked up. And if you guys don't know about this car yet, if it's your first time watching these videos, this was a 38,000 mile one owner car that I picked up from Miami. I will link that video in the description. Go back and watch that if you need to get caught up. And we have been restoring it since we got it. Now, it didn't need a ton of work, but we just kind of need to go through everything. And now we're just cleaning down all of the little detailed areas, and the engine bay is what's up on the plate today. As you guys can see, this thing has never been touched. I've slowly replaced a few parts. I did the spark plug wires, the spark plugs, the fuel injectors, but never got around to kind of pulling the parts off and doing a deep clean on them. And that makes a world of difference. I love looking at a nice clean engine bay, but I was waiting for the opportunity to get to that point. And since Super Clean decided to sponsor this video, you guys can not only win yourself some Super Clean, and all you have to do is comment below, and I'll randomly pick one of the comments to send out some product to. But they also sent me out some products that I love. These are my two favorite here, and that is this aerosol here, this Super Clean degreaser. This foams up and it makes it really easy to clean off like engine bay areas. And this is their strongest concentrated formula here that cleans any of the dirtiest stuff you could imagine. So even up underneath the engine, if you want to hit the frame and stuff like that, this stuff will tackle that. Now, you do have to be careful with this on certain types of products. So you don't want to spray this directly onto leather, vinyl, a lot of different interior parts. You want to make sure you dilute it or test it before doing that. With engine bay components, we're pretty safe. Now, aluminum, you do have to be careful too, because it could oxidize that, but I'm not too worried about this because we're gonna be taking our valve cover off here and painting that down back to original. And we're gonna try to leave this as original as possible and just cleaning everything up. Now, originally I thought I was gonna take everything out of this engine bay and kind of go through all of the hoses and everything, but I found out some of these hoses are really difficult to get, and I wanna try to keep everything in place that's original as I can and replace the things that break as they break. So with that said, what I want to do is pull off a lot of this upper stuff here so we can get into the areas, clean down these original components, and get everything put back in. And anything we see that needs replacing, we'll try to replace it as we see it. So without further ado, we're going to be zooming through a lot of this. You guys are going to see this in a much faster pace, but it's going to be an amazing difference between the way it looks now and when it's at the end. So I'm excited. Let's get set up and get going.
and I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
There's something in my eyes, I cannot see your lies. You think that I'm surprised, fall back into your trap. Send me your eyes. Don't you think it's time for something else? I asked for something more, you gave me so much less. I wonder why I stayed. Time. I'm messing up my mind. I only need someone, and I'd be waiting for a sign. I'm ready for your touch. I'll never be that guy. I don't even know how I fall in
Wow, guys, what a world of difference. And now I am so excited to go to a car show and finally pop my hood, because before it was absolutely disgusting and now it looks phenomenal. Just some elbow grease. Obviously want to thank Super Clean who sponsored this video. Do not forget to go ahead and comment on this video. I will randomly pick somebody and we'll send you, well, Super Clean will send you out a nice little care package of some of their products, and it will be 100% free. All you got to do is comment. I'll have Siri randomly pick somebody who commented, and then I'll contact you on that comment, and then you'll send me your address, and Super Clean will send you out the product. Nothing else needed. 100% free, so don't forget to do that. Also, if you guys didn't notice, I use tire foam. This is kind of my little secret. Once you have a completely clean engine, you go ahead and spray down your hoses, any of your black plastic, your radiator cover, any of these little black pieces, and it gives it that nice satin finish. Doesn't give it a disgusting filmy feel, but just a nice satin finish that stays on there and kind of makes it look like a brand new engine again. So, little trick I learned a long time ago, and I've been doing it ever since. Now, it doesn't last super long, but you can do it before car shows. If you're going to sell a car, it's great to do it right before that. And it's a little trick that I like to pass on. Now, let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. If there was anything else you would do differently. Obviously, we went ahead and painted our valve cover. That we took off. We took off our intake, all these hoses and everything. Outside that, most things stayed in place. Oh, and we removed our battery tray, went ahead and fixed a little rust on there and painted that, so that'll be good for a long time. And then we went ahead and painted our exhaust manifold with that high heat paint. And I also went ahead and hit this with that same paint right along here. So kind of just spruced it up a little bit. Didn't want to go crazy. Wanted it to look more stock than anything. And we also went ahead and put our sticker back on our fuse box. So outside that, just kind of kept it a basic cleaning just to revive it and make it look stock again. Well, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you have any questions about products or whatever else it might be, you guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.